Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. Now, if your phone is zoomed in like the one that you're seeing on my screen here, this is how you can go ahead and fix it. So let's get started. Generally, if you have this issue, you might have accidentally turned on the zoom on your phone and there seems to be like no way to get out, but you can actually escape out of there. The first thing you want to try to do is take 3 of your fingers and you're going to tap on the screen. So 3 finger taps all together at the same time, just like that. And that should bring up a menu that will allow you to go ahead and zoom out. So again, as you can see here, if I use that, I could be zoomed in, but if I use my 3 finger, that menu will come up and then I can just simply slide it or just zoom out. And that's going to be the quick first step to making it unzoomed. Now, if that doesn't work for you, this is the step you're going to do. We're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button. So I'm going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button. Now, there's one more final step that we need to do to make sure that this doesn't happen again, which I'm going to show you right after this. So again, all I did is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button. And that's basically forcing the phone to shut down and then turn back on. Basically, if you're still stuck in Zoom and those 3 finger touch weren't working, this is the next step to do. And then after the phone turns back on, I'm going to show you one more thing that you'll need to do so that this does not accidentally get turned on again. So let's wait for the Apple logo. All right, we're back in. I'm going to go enter my phone's passcode. And this is where you want to go. You're going to try to go into your settings, and then you're going to go to accessibility. And then you're going to look for, and under the vision section, zoom. You're going to go up here, and then right here is where this setting gets turned on. So we need to turn that setting off so the next time it doesn't accidentally get stuck in that zoom mode that we see. So that's how you fix a phone that's stuck in zoom mode. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.